Hi children, this is Deepika Baskar from G.K.Jain school. Today I am going to take class for 5th standard, subject science, and the lesson name is water. Before going to the session, please subscribe our YouTube channel G.K.Jain schools so that you never miss any new updates from our school. If you like this video, press the like button. Okay children, today we are going to see about water pollution. What does mean by water pollution? Water pollution is nothing but contamination of water by human activities. That means the water bodies like ponds, lakes, wells, rivers, these are all contaminated by the human. So the water will be spoiled by the activities of human. So this is known as water pollution. The water bodies like ponds, rivers, lakes, wells and canals are polluted by some sources. They are insecticides, fertilizers, sanitary water, sewages, spilling of oil, and these are the pollution which is caused by the human. Now let us see the sources of water pollution in detail. The major sources of water pollution are industrial waste, sewage, domestic waste, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, synthetic detergents and oil spill. These are the major sources of water pollutions. Okay children, now let us take a look at in detail. Now we are going to see about the industrial waste. The discharge of untreated industrial waste from the industries into river and lakes is one of the main causes of water pollution. The industrial waste contain harmful substances such as acid, alkalis and hot water. So these are all contaminated the water. The chemicals like arsenic, lead, mercury and cadmium are released by the industries and it leads to toxicity in plants and animals because these are the poisonous chemical substances. So it leads to toxicity in plants and animals, but it is harmful to human also. Now we are going to see about the sewage. The dumping of sewage into rivers and lakes is the second major cause of water pollution in big cities. In Chennai, the cause of dumping of sewage is bigger than the town or villages. Now we are going to see about the domestic waste. Domestic waste means the food waste, soaps and detergents, garbage, wrappers, plastics and other materials carried by the flowing water and it pollute the water bodies. Now we are going to see about the chemical fertilizers and the insecticides. The excess use of fertilizers and pesticides causes water pollution because these chemicals are washed into the rivers and lakes with rainwater. They pollute the soil and underground water also. Pesticides like DDT, that means dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, enter the water bodies of aquatic animals and reach the human body by way of food chain. Now we are going to see the synthetic detergents. Excess use of synthetic detergents for washing purposes produces foam and they pollute the water. The final one is oil spill. That means oil leakages on the surface of the sea affects the marine organism. That means whenever the oil will be taken in the ships, it will be any leakages in that, so the oil will be leak on the surface of the sea. That will affect the sea organisms. That means fishes, prawns, and all the organism which is present in the sea will be affected more. We are also affected by the food chain.